Hey guys, it's Kevin Plays, and I'm gonna teach you how to narrow some axles for HO scale trains to make them narrow-ish. Yeah, bruh. So here's what you do. Step 1, you need your wood with the hole punched in it. Step 2, you take your wheel, put it there. Then step 3, bruh, you just bruh, keeps falling off, bruh. I like to choose this this styrene block from the Monarch Mart, and then this hammer that I use to make my choices in the Monarch Mart. We take it and I start tapping. I tap 3 times the charm. Then I go to the other side and I do the same thing. Then I check to make sure that it's even, but it's not. So I'm gonna take it like this, push it a little like that, and yeah, so like now it looks like this. I could go vape, but before I do that vaping, I have to do it again. This time I'll give you a better commentary and do it right. So yeah, you do that. Then you take the other side and you do it like this. And look at that. That side looks pretty good. Yeah, it looks real good. I'm just gonna do that same process again, and now it looks like that. And since I can't find my drink at the Monarch Mart, I'm just gonna put this in there. I like to stare at the drinks, so I like to stare to make sure that the wheels look pretty good when they're in there. You know, that's what I do. This is why we're Kevin Plays games. We like to stare a lot. Look at that. That looks good. That looks good. Now we'll take our car and we're gonna just stick it on there. Make sure it's on there pretty good. And it's not on there good enough. Let me just grab my pin and not get myself injured. There we go. Yeah. So yeah, guys. There we go. Now this car is narrow. So yeah, that's it for this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Watch Kevin Gaming Weekly for updates, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.